Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to uninstall a WordPress plugin. So first you just have to simply log in to your WordPress account and then you have to locate your plugins, specifically your install plugins right here. Now it's very easy to uninstall a WordPress plugin. All you have to do is to locate the plugin and then you have to look for deactivate or delete. Also, there's another plugin that can help you delete all plugins immediately. What you're going to do here is you have to search for WP Reset. You have to install this one and then look for that feature where you can delete all plugins. So basically what you're going to do is you have to tap that button and you will be notified if you want to delete all plugins. But this is for deleting all plugins. So if you don't want to delete all plugins and you want to delete just specific plugin here on your WordPress, then basically just go to plugins or install plugins, look for delete or deactivate. So if you tap on delete, and then what you're going to do is to confirm its deletion. And if you tap on deactivate, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the inactive application or plugin, and you have to confirm if you want to delete this completely by tapping on again the delete button. So basically, that's how easy it is to uninstall a WordPress plugin. You need to delete or deactivate the plugin in order for you to uninstall it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.